I'm here in Bacolod, campaigning for my hubby, look, with Marie Chris and a bunch of gay people. But anyway, the reason why I called you is I have a favor to ask you. We gave all the documents not to Mila, but syempre iba pag tumawag ka. A good friend of ours, Francis Chua, basically has a problem in Istanbul, in Turkey. So he went to court. The judge issued an order in his favor. So now we're just having everything authenticated so that it can be served in the embassy in Istanbul, right? So Mila has all the documents. I won't bore you with the details, but if you could call Mila and just give it a little push. Everything's above board, don't worry. I'm very good at that. But yeah, that's it. So I hope to see you soon.